So this was about, what, 30 minutes from the Hyatt high-rise area. And this is called Baby Beach. And we're gonna go do some snorkeling and show y'all the beach. It's worth the trip. My GoPro set up, well, it's there now, but it's going to be in here, and I'm going to do some snorkeling, and hopefully we see some really cool stuff. This is about 30 minutes away from the Hyatt. Definitely worth the drive. I would rent a car, because there will be several times you maybe want to go off the beaten path a little, and this is so gorgeous.